Chef Winston Gel in the house. Let's rise together, no backing down. Chef Winston Gel, turn the light on bright. We cook our dreams and serve them right. No fear, no limits. We chase the
You're watching
flame.
Chef Winston Gel.
Gel,
You're watching Chef Winston Gel. I'm doing Jamaican-style fried fish. Yes, Jamaican-style fried fish. These are all my ingredients. At the far end, I have vinegar, black pepper, sea salt, other herbal spices, onion powder, garlic powder. I've cut up bell peppers, onions, carrots, hot pepper, tomatoes, and of course the Jamaican style fried fish. And these are goldfish. Yes, these are goldfish in the frying pan, and you're watching the Winston Gel TV. Chef Winston Gel. You're watching Chef Winston Gel. Yes, I'm doing Jamaican style fried fish. Yes, Jamaican style fried fish. And these are all my ingredients. Yes, all my ingredients. And the main course, of course, is fried fish. And goldfish and red snapper and parrotfish. And I'm going to flip these over. Don't want anything there.
If you fall, he says stand tall. Cause one dream can inspire us all.
You're watching Chef Winston Gel doing Jamaican style fried fish, otherwise known as Escovitch. Escovitch. You're watching Chef Winston Gel. This is Jamaican-style fried fish. Alright, I'm gonna add my onions. Onions first. Put the onions and saute a little bit. Then I'm going to add carrots and then bell peppers. Alright, so now I'm going to add some carrots. Fresh carrot. Alright, I'm going to put bell peppers. Sprinkle some black pepper. Powder season to give it extra flavor. Now I'm going to top it off with my hot, spicy Jamaican pepper. Yes. Then I'm going to add my vinegar. Then I'm going to stir. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to simmer. Then I'm going to use it to dress and decorate the fried fish. Alright, so I'm going to give it 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to take all these vegetable seasoning and spice and dress the fish. Yes. And that will be the end of this dish here today on Chef Winston Gel. So I'm going to cover it back, give it 3 more minutes. Turn the stove off. Alright, so now address the fish. Address the fish. Alright, so that is my Jamaican style fried fish, Escovitch style. And you see this only on Chef Winston Gel. Yes, Chef Winston Gel. On the YouTube platform. Thank you for viewing. I hope you enjoy the presentation and try to do this yourself. It's very easy, very easy. Just get creative. Okay? Thank you so much. Chef Winston Gel out.